Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review of this hair from Upretty hair. I'll have all the details you need down below. I'm going to unbox what's in this little bag and I'm so excited to show you this hair because it is stunning. This is hair from Upretty. It is a lace frontal wig. It is 20 inches of deep wave hair and I'm obsessed. I showed this hair on my Instagram, and in the bag basically they gave me this really cute gold bonnet. As you can see, I love bonnets, and they also have like an info card with all their social media info, and they gave me an elastic band, which is super helpful. They also gave me these really pretty lashes. They are bomb and so dramatic, and they gave me 2 extra wig caps, which always comes in handy. And basically I just have the satin bag left, which is great for storage. And I'm gonna show you the wig. This is their deep curl, and I'm so guys, I'm so excited. Like, I haven't had proper curly hair in a minute, like in a lace front especially, but this is how the inside of the wig looks. It's just got a frontal. It's 13x4, which means you've got like a pretty average parting space, but it is a little big in my opinion. And at the bottom you basically just have the clips and some lace, and I just cut the lace off and attached my clips. So now the hair is on my head. I can properly see like how I need to cut it, where I need to put the parts, and this is the curl, guys, straight out the box. Okay, I'm obsessed. Okay, so I'm gonna just cut my ear tab. So all I'm doing is just measuring that out. I'm just gonna cut where I see my ears kind of like lap over, so I don't want the lace to do too much there. And then I'm just going to kind of measure out my parts, and yeah, I'm going to make the parts without plucking it, which is great for long term in case I get shedding. And when I've got like a loose estimate of where I want my parts, I'm gonna put some water there just to flatten it, and then I'm going to accurately try to get my parts as straight as possible. I'm then going to grab my hot comb from Bundles of Jen. I'll link them down below as well. They're a South African store. I'm just going to use that hot comb to kind of flatten out my hair. It didn't have an existing part, so the hair's kind of fluffy at the top, and I'm just going to use that hot comb to make sure that it's nice and flat, and I'm going to use it to kind of bring up my hairline so that the hair isn't falling onto my face. I love when frontals just, you know, look natural. So then I'm just gonna take my blow dryer, and for my installation I just used Got2b. I used the black one, and I'm just gonna make sure that that glue is nice and tacky so that I can attach the hair down. So if you have not seen how I install my lace frontals, I will link it, but I'm basically doing that method. I'm just taking my rat tail comb and I'm pushing the lace down onto my Got2b. And as you can see, I did not pluck this hair. This is a pre-plucked hairline, and they did an amazing job. I'm then just going to do that on the other side, make sure that everything looks good, and yeah, I'm basically done with the install. I'm now going to like kind of style the hair and do the part properly. I really don't have to do anything to the actual curls. I'm literally just working to kind of flatten the top of my wigs. I love when they're super, super flat, and I love my hot comb, guys. I'm BFFs with my hot comb, and I just use this argan oil. You can literally use even free spray, anything to kind of flatten out the flyaways. Those look ugly in pictures, so I like to make sure that they're nice and flat. And yeah, this is very, very easy. I don't even have to do anything to the curls. I love them so much. And with this type of curl pattern, you can use water to activate them, or you can just use a curling iron, but I love the ones straight out the box. And yeah, guys, that is it. That is my full install. If you love this hair, then go into my description box and shop Upretty hair. I've got a direct link to this hair and a link to the store, so you can shop around, you can see what you like, and you can order. I absolutely love this hair. Let me know down below if you like it too. Let me know how you feel about the length and everything else. But yeah, guys, if you like this hair, in the description box, there's everything you need. But just thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.